Welcome to dCi President Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Nissan. It's a fabulous colour. I love the colour. Beautiful metallic blue with a lot of extras on it. This has got it's a good spec. It's got front park distance control, lovely diamond cut alloy wheels, panoramic roof, tilt and slide, rear park distance control. Does have a camera as well. As you can see, it's in really lovely condition. Been well looked after. Just coming part exchange. Electric tailgate. Boot area is in lovely condition. This is the 5 seats. It gives you extra space, extra storage. Inside the car has been well looked after. Carpet mats to the rear. That lovely big panoramic roof. Electric mirrors, electric folding mirrors, electric windows. Side impact warning. Cruise control. It's only on 853 miles. I just started up. All the warning lights go on and off. Still got half tank of diesel in it. Multifunction steering wheel. Satellite navigation. Reverse camera. Get it on, quite air conditioning, nice centre armrest here, storage, aux and a USB, 6-speed gearbox. This is well finished, nice and leather there as well. At DJH we offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.